Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is KICKnology. I'm your boy Truth, and I appreciate you guys tapping in for another video. Today we will be unboxing one of my grails. It's not every day that you can unbox a grail, especially where the sneaker community is in the market. Everything gains value. Everything is resale. You feel what I'm saying? So to be able to unbox a grail with you guys, hey, this is gonna be a dope video no matter the views or not, because I am unboxing a grail. And the way that I was able to cop this grail, bruh, y'all don't want to miss this. Stay tuned. Let's do it.
No synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got blue, never slack on the brew for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.
Alright, before we get off into this content, man, let's go ahead and take care of this biz. Hey, hit that subscribe button for your boy. I appreciate that, man. Head over to IG, follow your boy at KICKnology on IG and Twitter. Hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Get your boy in the algorithm. And also turn that little bell, the notification bell, so you can get notified anytime I drop any videos. 2022 will be full of me copping my grails and offloading some of these shoes that you see behind me. Of course, after I'll show you guys what's hiding behind me, because I got a lot of sneakers that's here that you guys haven't seen on my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing a grail. Like I said, hey, shout out to my people over at TradeBlock, located in Houston. If you do not know what TradeBlock is a app, man. You can download this app, and when you download this app, you have a closet and you have a wish list. In that closet, it should be sneakers that you guys are willing to trade and offload. Not things that you just want to put in the closet to showcase. Not shoes that you just want to showcase. Shoes that you are willing to sell. This is very, very important whenever you are a part of the TradeBlock community, because a lot of times you post shoes just to show what you got and you're not willing to offload them. People are going to offer things to you and they're going to waste their time with you only for you to say, nah, I'm not willing to get rid of it. If it is on TradeBlock and it is in your closet, it's your sneakers, that means that you are willing to trade it. You feel what I'm saying? And then you have your wish list. Your wish list should be the shoes that you really want. So you know what I'm saying? You can kind of work and talk with people. You can chit chat on there and work out the best trades. You feel what I'm saying? And it's just an awesome site. They have made a lot of improvements with the site since its first drop. And this is the reason why I'm getting my grail. So shout out to TradeBlock. Go download the app. I will try to put the link down in my description section and the link to the IG. Hey, download it and let's get some trades going. You feel me? Now, so I plugged that. Let's go ahead and open up this box. Now, this is a sneaker that dropped in 2019, and I really wanted it. You feel what I'm saying? But I missed it, like I missed on a lot of releases. And I was scrolling through TradeBlock. I will show you guys the trade and all that stuff that made this possible. But first, let me show you the shoe. Alright, so as you guys can see here, we do have that black and red Nike Jordan box. You feel what I'm saying? This is a size 11, as that focus is right there. And the retail price for this sneaker was $175, and it released in 2019. Air Jordan 1 High OG Defiant. The color is quart purple, black sail. Yes, sir. So if you know what it is, just based off of those colors, then hey, y'all know I'm super excited. This is my first SB Jordan High Retro. Jordan 1 Retro. You feel what I'm saying? So, let's go ahead and open up this box together. As you guys see right here, we're going to peel back this top. When you peel it back, you do have this card here. It says your new kicks are here. And you do have that TradeBlock logo on the bottom. You feel what I'm saying? So as you guys can see the paper right here on the screen for this sneaker, we're going to peel back this paper right like this. And as you guys can see right here, we have the Air Jordan 1 High OG SB in the LA to Chicago colorway, fam. Ooh wee. Hey, listen to me, y'all. Y'all know I'm a Kobe fan. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all see that SB on their tongue. You feel me? Y'all know I'm a Kobe guy, and to have these in my collection, it's absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and take the shoes out the box. Everything I got checked out. It gets verified in their verification center in Houston. They ship them to you. They let you know. It's all tracked on the app. It is very, very dope. So nothing extra inside this box. We're going to put this box right here. And then we're going to take a look at these shoes, man. So if you guys seen these shoes before, I'm not going to do an in-depth review on them today. But they do come with the 3 laces right here. And yeah, man, you have the LA colorway, the Lakers colorway. And if you know anything about this sneaker, it does rub off into the Chicago colorway. Very, very dope. And each shoe looks a little bit different, gives its own flavor. And like I said, they do come dead stock for you guys, so you know they are not worn. Everything is dead stock on here, and they do get checked out. So let's talk about how I was able to acquire these shoes. So as you guys can see on the screen, this was my trade. This is what I offered. I offered the Crimson Tint 4s and the Lightning 4s. If you know anything about this sneaker right here, this sneaker is actually going for about $560 to $600. You feel what I'm saying? Brand new in this size. So I was able to get this shoe, if you really think about it, for what the retail price that I paid for the Crimsons and for the Lightning 4s. I was able to get this sneaker off TradeBlock, shipped to me right around $430. So if you factor in what they're going for, I say about $220 to $280, depending on the site that I would have copped them from or who I would have copped them from. So hey, shout out to TradeBlock. Y'all let me know down in the comment section. Did I win on this? Do y'all feel like that this was a good trade or it was not? Do y'all feel like it was worth it? I do. That's why I copped the shoe. But y'all let me know down in the comment section. I will be doing an in-depth review of this sneaker here pretty soon. I just wanted to, you know, let you guys know that I was able to cop my Grail. And this year I will be buying releases, general releases. But every general release that you buy doesn't mean that you have to flip and sell and keep. You know what I'm saying? It's some shoes out there that you may want, that you can use some of those general releases that to somebody else, that general release could be a gem. You feel what I'm saying? It could be their Grail, and you don't know what they're willing to offload from their collection. So build relationships, download TradeBlock, make sure that you are connected on there and you are building relationships on there, and yeah, get yourself your Grail from TradeBlock, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man, and remember, these shoes behind me, this Grail right here, this beautiful sneaker right here, man, they all just bait. A way for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.
I'm off the beat, but right now I'm on the beat, known to be brother more, spitting for the king. You can kick it with